This is the Predator Pro Spray and it can spray Gyprock Skim Coat plaster. In this video I'll show you the full sequence from start to finish. First, check your nozzle. Take off the big render nozzle and fit the skim nozzle. You're aiming for a fine mist, not splatter. Next up is machine and hose prep, and this is non-negotiable. Prime the hose. Dry rubber hoses steal moisture from the plaster and that is what causes blockages. In the mix, consistency is king. The secret is in the bucket. Aim for the water ratio on the bag of skim coat. You're aiming for a double cream consistency. If there are any lumps in the tub, then there will be blockages in the gun. Attach the gun to the air hose and keep the screw speed dial moderate. Hold the gun about a half meter back. You want a consistent orange peel texture on the wall. Don't overload it, get it on and then trowel it flat immediately. Clean down, don't let it set. When the spraying stops, the cleaning starts. Skim coat sets hard. Pump the hopper empty, flood it with water and clean the hopper walls while it pumps. Then send the sponge ball through. With plaster, do this at least twice, but keep going until the water runs crystal clear, because if the plaster stays in the hose, it will set and it will cause problems on the next spray. Dial in the mix, keep the air high and clean it fast. Do that and you'll skim a room in minutes.